guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be more of a short video. So this is my crashed Civic that was involved with the Acura accident. So trunk got pushed in and bumper, and seems like a little bit part of this thin metal also got pushed in. So this is going to be a video of just short video of replacing the trunk and bumper with the new parts that I picked up, which is the JDM rear bumper and then a trunk. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get all tools ready. All right, so to remove the trunk, it's gonna be these two. I believe they're 10s, and then you're just gonna be unplugging all the plugs for the bulbs and everything for the harness, because you're gonna take that out and then we're gonna put it to the new trunk. And then for the latch, it's two 10s as well. They're where my fingers are. And then you're gonna unhook it right here, this little ball right here, so that you can take off this cable. And that seems like that's pretty much it for the trunk. And then as far as the bumper, it's gonna be these two bolts that are right here for the tail lights. They're in here, they're under this plastic. There's these right here, these little small little 10s, or yeah, 10s, and this one up here. And yeah, there you go. Same on other side. Same on other side. Sorry. So 1, 2, and 3 takes off the tail light. Don't forget to unplug the bulbs. Come over here. You're probably gonna go this side. So there's a bolt that's like this way. It's right here. You take that off. That's a 10 too. And then it'll be these little screws on each side. So if you come over here, this is more easier, I guess. You can see like where the, this is kind of like a more easier to see where the bolt goes and the screws. Same on that side, and then that's it. So when I forgot to mention, there's two more 10s right here, right below the tail light, to take it off. And yeah, that's on both sides, so that's it. So since this is bent, we don't have, like, you know, a jack or anything to kind of like help push it out, or chain. So Danny's gonna use some wire, big old metal rod, and try to bend this way, so that way this lines up with the latch. I don't know, I doubt it's gonna work, but you gotta try it anyway, huh? Gotta.
You know what polished now?
Who? Oh yeah, huh? We'll be back, hold on. So when we said we were gonna use wire, don't use wire. Thin metal. We're about to just chop out the whole latch part right there.
Surprisingly, with the latch, it pulled it.
Yeah, so because we drilled 2 holes to kind of, like, you know, what do you call it? What
yank it.
Like yank it?
Pull it, I don't know.
Or pull out, but it didn't work. So we actually used the latch, and this seems to actually work way better than, you know, as you see there. So, all right, we'll be back. We're gonna try something different.
Just got water?
Well, the panel, like this little piece right here.
I like how you're washing it on the dirt.
I know. Well, where else would my supposed to
So stand it up and wash it. Nice, washing his pants too. Alright, so we actually had to bend that bumper out. That's what we said we were gonna do anyways, right?
Yeah.
And we use this 1.25" rigid conduit. We made some holes there, put rope through it, put wood on the back on this side, and then we just yanked it like that.
So it's not perfect, but it's something just to get on by. So right now we're just gonna put the bumper and see how it is. But so far,
Yeah.
hold on.
There's a vacuum in the way.
Hold on. Take two.
Bam.
So it's not too bad. I mean, there's still a gap that we still gotta figure out. I mean, that's because of the thing is still bent, but you know, we kind of
The
went.
camera looks pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was good. We already took like half the day, so we're just gonna take a break and come back by like some other time and jump on it. But let me open it. Yeah, before
Oh, and the latch
close
still
it.
works.
See? Perfect. So now you can see the two bumpers.
And the mess that we made.
Yeah. The mess that we made. So
All right. Go for it.
So we'll be back as soon as we get that bumper put on.
All right, guys. So this is how it looks right now with once we pulled the back bumper. So it looks somewhat clean, you know, still.
Yeah, this bumper's
All
way
right.
better. Just like we said, we have to mess with the alignment better and you know, bend it out more.
And you want to get that trunk open real quick?
Yeah.
And this is the reason why we're saying we still have to mess around with it, but you're gonna see right now. So there's a small little gap there.
So yeah, so this is because this piece has to be, yeah, so let's go a little bit out. So this piece right here has to be pushed out more this way. That's why this side is a little bit better. I mean, this is something, this is just to get by, just to have it, you know, at least be able to have use of the trunk. But
Yeah,
think we're good.
Gears and Rice auto mechanic shop.
right?
Except we got crooked eyes or
If
something.
you guys need body work, let us know. Just kidding.
They're gonna feel like you live in your car.
But I know, huh? Sorry for the mess, but well, I think that's it for the video. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. Sorry if this video is a little like not organized too well. It's because we've been trying to think of ways how to get this as perfect as we could. So, but good things coming soon. All right, see you guys next time.
All right, see you guys next time.